back to Teacher John's Adventures. We made a promise we were going to show our viewers shotguns, and here we are. This is a Mossberg 500 12 gauge. I think it's an 8+1, but we'll find out. You can adjustable stock here for your shoulder length. Now, you want to do long range, you want to do short range. Safety's up here. So let's load it and check this out. Got some target loads here. This is Winchester 7.5 shot target loads. So it's not going to have that much kick to it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. So it does 7. Yeah, it wants to do 7, so it's a 7+1. Okay. So I chambered 1 in there. That's about right. Okay. What's a 7+1? Not bad. Okay, let's check it out. Still got another one. Wow, seems like I'm pretty decent with the shotgun. And that is Mossberg 500 7+1 with tactical adjustable stock. Loaded, double barrel. Let's see how it works. Never shot one of those before. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. They just pop out like that.
Last one of the day that we're going to shoot. We've shot up a lot of the targets. Some of the bottles we couldn't see as we were doing them. Either that or I'm just blind. I don't know. But this is a 20 gauge shotgun, and we'll be ready to go and see what I can do.
That's nice.
Pipe 5.
That's nice. Winchester 30-30. Just load it like so. Oops. It's got a good spring. Got a very good spring. Let's do it one at a time. brand new spring. Oh, we barely shot this. There we go. Huh. Okay. There we go. Hi.
Yes.
Get that sweet spot, sir. There you go. Got the sweet spot. A little high on that one. It's hard because they're clear bottles. There, I think you got the tip of that one. He sighted it in. There we go. Got that one. Oh, out.
Winchester 30-30. Gonna see what happens. Got it. Cock it.
That was high. Get that sweet spot. Gotta get that sweet spot, sir.
All right, here we go.
Try it again.
Hello, this is Teacher John, Teacher John's Adventures. Gonna shoot the 30-30 Winchester. Let's see what happens. Here we go.
That's it, that's it.
it.
Got your Winchester 30-30.
Hi.
Yeah, I just get the feel of it. Gotta get my pocket there.
There you go.
I just kick it a little bit.
Hi. You think it's sighted in?
That's enough for me.
This one's easier than the last one that we shot. Just a little Rossi 22 long rifle. And it's not going to hurt your ears or anything like that.
Stop. All right, here we go. Fucking did it again.
There you go.
That one's buried in the dirt. It's not going to hurt your ears. Okay, we still got some. Nice. Almost. Oh, we still got some. Cool. Oh! Go.
This is the 22 Rossi. Holds 15 rounds, and you can turn around and shoot this. Hopefully, we'll get a target or two. Thank you.
Aim at the bottom.
That's it. Not too bad. That was fun.
Yeah.
The 20 gauge shotgun.
Double barrel.
Double barrel.
Stoker Uplander. As we promised.
See what we can do.
I think you hit it. I saw it.
That's it, baby. I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need.